Good morning, dear students. So today in this class we are going to have a discussion on the next chapter that is called as progression or sequence. So before going to know, let us mean what let us know the meaning of progression or sequence, both one and the same. So progression is nothing but a set of numbers arranged in a definite order. The arrangement of number or in a proper order, whether that order may be ascending order or it may be of descending order. The array of numbers arranged in an ascending order or descending order is called progression or it is called as sequence. So when we are going to arrange the numbers either from the lowest value to the highest value or to the highest value from the highest value to the lowest value. If the arrangement if you are going to do, if you are writing those numbers, they are called as progression. Then in case of progression, we are going to come across a series. What do you mean by this series means? If the sequence of numbers, the arrangement of numbers, if they are going to be connected with plus sign or minus sign, it is called a series. If you are going to write 2, 4, 6, 8 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, so plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If you are going to connect the sequence of numbers either with the plus or minus sign, then such kind of arrangement of numbers, it is called as series. So in case of series, there are two types. One is finite series, another one is infinite series. Finite itself, the name indicates it is limited, it is fixed. Infinite means it is unlimited. A series which contains of only limited number of terms. It is called as finite series, where we can able to count very easily. But in case of infinite series, a sequence which contains of unlimited number of terms which are uncountable. Means unlimited means it is endless. Where we are finding very difficult to count such kind of arrangement of numbers or sequence, it is called as infinite series. So in case of progression, we are going to come across three types of progression. One is arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. So what do you mean by this arithmetic progression? The arithmetic kind of arrangement of numbers. So it is nothing but a sequence of numbers in which each term after the first is got by adding a constant number to the preceding term. Each term after the first, here it is first, is got by adding a constant number to the preceding term is called the constant number to the preceding term is called arithmetic progression. O means, see the sequence now. O means 2, 4, 6, 8. We can able to see the difference between all the numbers. For example, 2, 4 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. Again, 8 minus 6 is 2. How all these numbers we got? 2, 4, 6, 8 means if we add 2 plus 2 it becomes 4, 4 plus 2 it becomes 6, 6 plus 2 is become 8, 8 plus 2 it becomes 10. So such kind of sequence. So in which each term after the first term is got by adding a constant number. One constant number we keep on adding to the preceding term. So such kind of sequence of numbers is called as arithmetic progression. That's what I told. When we'll see the difference between the numbers in the sequence, we should decide whether it is an arithmetic progression or geometric progression. If we are having a constant difference between all the numbers, then it is called as arithmetic progression or it is called as an AP. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See, in all the numbers we are seeing the constant difference is only 2. If it is a constant difference between all the numbers in the series, then it is called an arithmetic progression. In case of arithmetic progression, we are going to calculate nth term. It is nothing but the last term or number of terms. So nth term, the formula we are using it here, that is Pn equals, that is nth term equals a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for calculating the nth term, means last term in the series. What does A indicates means A is indicating first number, N is indicating number of terms, D is indicating any term minus preceding term. It is nothing but the common difference between the two terms the uh, is called as common difference. The difference between any two terms is called common difference. So in case of AP, how the standard form of an AP means, the first term is called as A plus B is second term, A plus 2D is third term, A plus 3D is fourth term, A plus 5D is fifth term. See, when we are going to write the D in case of A, one less number has to be shown in case of standard form. 2 means 2 plus the difference between the two numbers. For example, if you are seeing 2, 4, 6, 8, the difference in all the numbers is 2. See, 2 is the first number, 2 plus 2 become 4. 2 plus 2 into 2 will become what? That is 6. 2 plus 3 into 2 will become 8. 8. 2 plus 4 into 2 is going to become 10. See, such kind of forms. In the standard form, the first number how we are going to write means it is in the form of A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. So the formula we should remember to calculate the nth term of AP, that is the last number in the series. Let us will see the question number 1. They have given find the 10th term of the sequence. The series they have given 3, 5, 7 and 9. So what is the 10th number? 10th term means the 10th number. If we keep on writing the same manner. So by seeing the differences, what will be the 10th number? So if it is 10th, 15th, we can make it very easily. But if they are going to have a question of 50th number, 100th number in the series means we can't able to count and write. So we can able to use the formula very easily. So here we are going to use the formula that is nth term. Tn equals a plus n minus 1 into d. A means the value here given, the first number is 3, and then d equals 5 minus 3 is 2, or you can take any number between these numbers here. 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is also 2. So the difference between the series among the numbers here, any term minus preceding term is the formula for calculating the common difference. Here we have taken 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. And the next, we should calculate which term is, we have to calculate 10th term. So n is going to become 10. The value of n is 10. Number of terms here. Number of terms means the last 10th number, what is that? So here we are substituting in the formula. Nth term equals a plus n minus 1 into d. T10, that is n is nothing but 10, equals a means 3 plus 10 minus 1 into d. The difference between all the numbers is 2. T10 equals 3 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 2. 10th term equals 3 plus 9 into 2 is 18. Therefore, the 10th term in this series is nothing but 21. So, this is how we got. See, if we are going to write, the next number will become 11. Then after 11, we are getting 13. After 13, we are getting 15. Then next is 17, right? Then next will become 19. Then next will become 21. This is how we can able to make out very easily. But if the question is being given to calculate the AP by using the formula means AP means in AP we have to calculate means we should use the formula for calculating the nth term. Find the 10th term. See the question, 10th means you should calculate n is going to become 10. So this is how we are using the formula to calculate the 10th term or the last term. Let us will go for the next question here. Problem number 2. Find the 50th term of the series. See the series they have given. It is in ascending order. The first number is 35, second number is 39, 43 and 47. So the value of A is nothing but 35. B means 35 minus 39 minus 35 you can take, or 43 minus 39 you can take, or 47 minus 43. See, when you are going to see the differences, it should be constant, it should be same, it should not differ from one number to the another number. The differences always should be same in case of arithmetic progression. Therefore, 39 minus 35 is nothing but 4. See, 43 minus 39 is also 4. 47 minus 43 is also 4. See, in this series, the differences are same. So, we are going to call it as AP, that is arithmetic progression. N means how many numbers are there in this series means they have given very particular to calculate 50th term means there are 50 numbers are there in the series. Therefore, we need to calculate what is the 50th number in the series. Tn equals a plus n minus 1 into d. T50 equals a means 35 plus n means 50 minus 1, d means 4. 50th term equals 35 plus 50 minus 1 is 49 into 4. Then 50th term equals 35 plus 49 into 4 is nothing but 196. Add together. then the 50th term value is nothing but 231. Therefore, the 50th term is 231. So this is how we need to calculate the 50th term or the last term of the series. Let us will see the third question. Find the 15th term of the sequence. Here they have given in the negative values. Minus 4 is the first number, minus 7 second, minus 10 third, and minus 13. If you keep on writing like this, what will be the 15th number? So how many numbers are here means in the series it is only 15 numbers are there. Therefore, the value of A is minus 4, B equals any term minus preceding term. Any term itself is minus 7. The formula is minus. Again, the preceding term is minus 4. Therefore, minus 7 minus into minus become plus 4. Therefore, the value of B is nothing but minus 3. N means how many numbers are there means 15 numbers are there. Therefore, we need to calculate what is the 15th number. Apply the formula. Nth term equals a plus n minus 1 into b. 15th term equals a means minus 4 plus n means total numbers in the series are 15. 15 minus 1 into the difference between the numbers are minus 3. 15th term equals minus 4 plus 15 minus 1 is nothing but 14 minus 3. 15th term equals minus 4 plus into minus is minus 14 into 3 because we have to multiply with minus 3 into plus 14. So plus into minus becomes minus 14 into 3 is 42. Therefore 15th term is minus 4 minus 42 both together if we are going to add the value becomes minus 46. Therefore the 15th term is minus 46. And see the question number 4 here. Find the 10th term of the sequence. The first number is in a proper form, the second number and third number they have given in the form of a fraction. Now we'll have to calculate. If you keep on writing like this, what is the 10th number or the uh, last number? Therefore, A equals plus 2. N means how many terms means they have given to calculate 10th term means there are total number of total numbers are 10 here in this series, n becomes 10. B equals 8 by 5 minus 2. In the denominator, nothing means we'll have to assume it as 1. So 8 by 5 minus 2 by 1. So we'll have to take LCM for 5 and 1. The LCM is 5. Divide with the 5, multiply with the numerators. 5 ones are 1 into 8 is 8. Then 1 5s are 5 into 3 is 10. Therefore, 8 minus 10 is nothing but minus 2 by 5 is the value of D. We need to calculate what the 10th number. Pn equals a plus n minus 1 into b the formula. P10 equals 2 plus n is 10 minus 1 into the difference d value is minus 2 by 5. 10th term equals 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into minus 2 by 5. P10 equals 2. See here plus into minus is minus. We are multiplying 9 in the denominator. No number means we'll have to assume it as 1. So plus into minus is minus. 9 2 is 18. 5 into 1 is 5. So 10th term equals 2 and minus 18 by 5 is there. So in case of denominator, in the 2 no number means we'll have to assume it as 1. So 1 and 5 the LCM will be 5. So with that 1 we should divide 5. 1 5s are 5. 5 into multiply with the numerator 5 2s are 10. Minus 5 1s are 5. 1 into 18 is 18. It is nothing but 10 minus 18 divided by 5. The value is minus 8 by 5. Therefore the 10th term is minus 8 by 5. And see the fifth question. Find the 18th term of sequence. One is x, next is 3x, 5x, 7x. If we keep on writing, then what will be the 18th number? Means here also the value of a is nothing but x. N value, how many numbers are there in the series? Means it is 18 numbers are there in the series. D equals 3x minus 1x. X is nothing but 1x. Then it will become 2x. We will have to find out what is the 18th number. Therefore, apply the formula of nth term in AP formula. Tn equals a plus n minus 1 into d. T18, 18th term equals a means x plus n means 18 minus 1, d means 2x. 18th term equals x plus 18 minus 1 is nothing but 17 into 2x. 18th term equals x plus 17 into 2x is nothing but the product of those two will become 34x. 34x and 1x, the value will be 35x. Therefore, 18th term is 35x. Let us will see for the next question. Find the 21st term of series. So here they have given in the form of decimal fractions. 0.5, first number, second number is 0.71, next is 0.72. If we keep on writing, then what will be the 21st number need to be calculated? Means in the series, how many numbers means 21st term to calculate means the number of series, the number of terms will also be 21. Therefore, the value of A becomes 0.7, N is nothing but 21. The difference between the numbers 0.71 minus 0.7 is nothing but 0.01. Therefore, we need to calculate 21st term equals how much? Apply the formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. T21 equals n is 21 equals 0.7 plus 21 minus 1 into 0.01. Therefore, 21st term is 0.7 plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into 0.01. Multiply 20 into 0.01, the value will be 0.2. So 21st term equals 0.7 plus 0.2. The 21st term is 0.9. Therefore, the 21st term is 0.9. So this is how we need to calculate the value of the nth term. So with this, we are going to end the session.